Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. We are getting ready to make an all-time classic, Grandma's famous pumpkin pie. Who doesn't love pumpkin pie? And guys, if you want to learn how to make all kind of food and dishes made from scratch, the easy and simple way, subscribe. Subscribe guys and tap the bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing, delicious recipe. I've got a whole channel full of food and dishes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, as you can see, I've already started making my pie crust. And guys, if anybody wants the recipe for a nice, flaky, buttery pie crust, that link is right up above. And I'll also put the link down in the description so that you guys can make your own pie crust the easy, made from scratch way, guys. It's real simple, guys. I'm just gonna put this down in here, tuck some of this under, get it nice and pretty. Get it nice and pretty. Okay guys, we've got our pie crust all done. Okay, again, that link is in the description. Okay guys, so for Grandma's famous made from scratch pumpkin pie, we're going to need eggs, pumpkin, evaporated milk, sugar, salt, and guys, I have spices here. I have cinnamon, cloves, ginger, pumpkin pie spice. And as you can see, they're all in the little container. Guys, that's because I buy my spices in bulk. And I buy them from a little health food store here, Berry Brook Farm. All my spices come from this little place. And you can order your spices as well. I'm going to put the link to them in my description. They have some of the amazing spices from all around the world, and they will ship them directly to you guys. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get this pie made. And guys, one of the secrets to Grandma's famous pumpkin pies is that you do not want to use pumpkin pie mix. You want 100% pure pumpkin. It's pumpkin. Okay, we're gonna get this pumpkin in here mixed up, and then we're going to fill our pie crust. Okay guys, it's time to fill our pie crust. Okay guys, you just want to pour it into your shell, that's all. My pie shell has been in the refrigerator after we made it so that it can cool back down from the warmth of my hands. Make sure you get all your love in there, guys, all your love. We're gonna bake this in a 425-degree oven for 15 minutes. Then we're going to turn it down to 350 for about another 45 minutes. And I'm going to cover the edges of my pie crust so that they won't brown before the pie is done with little strips of foil about this size. It's going to take about 3 or 4 strips, and you just want to put them around the edges. You want to make sure, you can kind of even put them in the indents a little bit. You just want to make sure it doesn't actually touch the custard part of the pie. Otherwise, when you get ready to take the strips off, it will stick to the pie and it'll pull your filling out of the pie. So be careful when you do this part. That's all, just like that, guys. Make sure they're not touching. You do want the foil to overlap on each end, so make sure you start right over the next section and just keep going around. So I'm gonna get this all done and we'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what it should look like right before you go in the oven. And right before you go in the oven, you don't want to reach down to the bottom, but you just want to swirl your mix. Just swirl the mix just a little bit on the top, making sure that when you poured it out of the bowl, you didn't have anything that wasn't mixed in. You don't want to reach down to the bottom of your pie shell. You just gently want to go across the top of the pie. Okay guys, we'll be back when it's out of the oven. Guys, we are straight out of the oven. Doesn't this look amazing? Look at that, guys. Our grandma's famous pumpkin pie is done. Yes, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome and amazing. Okay, guys, our grandma's famous pumpkin pie is done. Guys, it's going to take a couple of hours to cool. So once I slice it up, I will come back with that slice. Until then, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. If you were not subscribed to the channel, please hit the bell and subscribe and hit the bell. So you'll always be notified every time I upload an amazing, delicious recipe. Thank you so much if you are subscribed for all your awesome and amazing support. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.